Sarah Solis was sleeping when she was awoken to the news that her son had been shot by police during a drug raid.
Nakita ko na ang anak ko sa hospital.
Her son died in February 2017 from bullet wounds to the head and chest. Less than 6 months later, she says his younger brother too disappeared after being driven away by police. His body was found in an alleyway weeks later.
Sabi naman ng kaibigan niya, takbuhin mo si Dikli kasi yung ulo niya ginlagyan plastic. Sako bag. Binalot ng itim ng sako bag.
Sarah's sons are just 2 victims of the Philippines' war on drugs, the signature policy of outgoing President Rodrigo Duterte. Official government figures estimate that more than 6,000 people have been killed, while human rights organisations put the number in the tens of thousands. During 6 years as president, Mr Duterte defended both the police and his policy, labelling those killed as drug dealers who resisted arrest. Christina Conti is a human rights lawyer, helping families bring murder charges against individual police officers.
People just turned up dead in alleyways, in canals, tied up, bound, gagged with tape.
But with incident reports difficult to obtain from police and witnesses too afraid to come forward, few cases are ever brought to trial. It's in places like this that Duterte's drug war hit the hardest, places where people simply don't have the means to pursue justice. The International Criminal Court last week acknowledged that its decision to suspend its own investigation last year was a mistake, declaring that it plans to reopen the matter as soon as possible. A spokesperson for Mr Duterte defended the government's own investigations of the killings and said the ICC should respect the Philippines' sovereignty. But lawyers say it's essential the international community holds the administration to account while they pursue individual murder charges in local courts.
It is the only possible chance for the prosecution of crimes against humanity. The entire policy and not just the individual murders.
And give some hope to families.
Ayan nga ang sabi ng pulis sa akin na dalawa na yan. Hindi daw ako makademanda, hindi ako makaano, kaya wala daw ako ebidensya. Wala daw ako ebidensya.